guess what I've got something clearly from MTC Motorsport. Yeah, let's unbox it, guys. I have to be careful. Just okay. Fucking hell, I'm gonna have to fucking... 1 second. I don't want to open the whole bloody box. I'm pretty sure I can get it out here anyway. Or maybe not, because it's a fucking inlet pipe. You see, I say I would do dumb shit because I'm excited and or cannot be asked. Usually that's the same thing at the same time, because my brain don't work correctly. So, do it the proper old school way. Because I cannot be asked with scissors. Right, sweet. It is wrapped in some plastic. Well, some polystyrene, I think. Plastic. Bubble wrap plastic. Hopefully I can do it. Right, so if you hadn't noticed already, it is a turbo inlet pipe. It goes from my turbo to the intake that I've already got. Don't know how. Yeah, that's how it looks like. I'm pretty sure that connects to the breather valve or the breather pipe, which I just had to buy a new one because it's split. So yeah, very lovely finish by MTC. Yeah, MTC. Aluminium. Like the material is quite. It's very fucking nice. Very nice fucking finish. I'm pretty sure that this is a bit wider. So obviously allow turbo to spool up more. Yeah, it's fucking beautiful actually. I just thought I might as well cop this when it comes to putting on a new turbo, because something is being done very bloody fucking soon. Putting on the standard BMW shitty rubber or plastic bullshit that I've been trying to eliminate. It's gonna help. So yeah, this is a very quick unboxing, but I thought it would be very nice to note for people that may not have one yet. Yeah, the MTC definitely does a good job. This is for the N55, so I'll be putting it on a 135i, and yeah, I've got a couple more other things as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully I'll be able to give a proper update with everything that I've been done, and yeah, see you soon. Oh yeah, I think I bought something else as well, so I'll unbox that one and upload it. So yeah, cheers. Take it easy, guys. I'll catch you later. Oh yeah, and with the, yeah, I'll probably have it on by the time that the next proper long video I put up. Oh yeah, it comes with a fucking, the clamps. I think it's like a joiner pipe or something. Yeah. Yeah, I'm out. Safe.